She's proud of it. Baby got fat. They should work hard for it. Yeah. Okay, your little body. I'm not talking about that. Sarah's going to want you to stand up. There's the rest of her body on his right hand. We're so chicken.
That's a good idea.
Have a little fun with life.
You can have it all if you want.
Your mother is fun. And Heather, okay? I am Heather. Okay, what's the word? I have no idea.
When the elephants get done dancing, they start on the gorillas. The gorillas will start dancing. See, the gorillas are looking around like, hey, is anybody watching me over here? I want everyone to watch me because I'm the gorilla. Us gorillas are the most important here. That's cool. They got stars in the sky. Wait. There we go. Isn't that neat? Alright.
Oh, can you do a dot to dot? Can you connect the lines? A 1, 2.
The light, not up.
3, 4. Can you do that? There, I could.